G'day everyone, welcome to the Husky channel. I'm actually in a shopping centre car park here with Steve. Say hello, Steve. No, he's too busy looking out the window. We're waiting for Mum because she's doing a bit of shopping, and Steve's on the lookout. Everyone he sees walk past and thinks it's Mum. There you go. Say hello to everyone, Steve. Say hello. You want to say hello? No. No, he's on the lookout. On the lookout for Mum. But anyway, we'll keep waiting. There you go. I'm blocking his view now. He's trying to see above the telephone or the phone. Anyway, everyone have a good day, and Steve and I will wait for Mum to get back from shopping, and we'll go home. What do you got to say about that, Steve? Yes? No? We'll wait. Mum's bringing a roast chicken. Yeah, what? Roast chicken? Roast chicken? No? No reaction for roast chicken? Oh, well, never mind. But she's bringing one anyway. There she is, Steve. Can you see her? Can you see her? No, I'm just joking. He's looking. He's looking. Anyway, have a good day, everyone, and take care. Stay safe.